क्या हुआ
यार हेडेक हो रहा है।
कहाँ पे?
भगवान है कहाँ रे तू। Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is doing good, staying safe and staying healthy. So today is a beautiful sunny day and I am going to Englishman Fall River, which is in Arrington. It is like 32 kilometers far from my place, and I am going there with my two amazing friends. One is Japneesh. Say hi, Japneesh.
Hi.
And another one is my cool friend Aviral, who is driving us there in his new Mustang. And I'll show you how beautiful the route is to Englishman River. Look at this.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the
तुम जलते रहो, मैं जलाता रहूंगा। अपनी नजर का ख्याल रखना, मैं नजर आता रहूंगा।
So we have reached Englishman River Falls. Oh, it looks absolutely amazing, beautiful, and I'll show you how it looks. Look at these falls now. So let's go and check out the trail. Ah, it feels so good.
how can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how.
Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. You wanna grow up once again. And na 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 na.
Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
And it was a beautiful day, thank God. We just got our coffees from Tim Horton and going back home. If you like my vlog, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions for my next vlog, please leave your comment in the comment section below or DM me at my Instagram. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and for now it is a wrap. So bye bye.